Yeah. So whoever has missed, starting sessions, please go through Leher app and download and watch the all the 3 or 4 episodes what we have done, because whatever we are talking, you will understand little more better way. And सर ने बहुत सिंपल वे में हर एपिसोड्स में वो चीज़ बताया है. सो जस्ट फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड किसी को भी अगर देखना है तो आप वहाँ पे जाके देख सकते हैं. सो माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सर, नॉर्मली अभी क्या हो रहा है मार्केट में कि वी नॉर्मली हर्ड दैट कि आज राकेश जी ने ये स्टॉक उठाया, वी नॉर्मली हर्ड दैट कि निमेश भाई ने ये स्टॉक उठाया, देन वी हर्ड दैट कि आज कचोलिया जी ने ये स्टॉक उठाया. सो एस इन्वेस्टर्स इन द मार्केट व्हेन दे बाय फ्यू स्टॉक्स एंड देन एंड होता है कि नॉर्मली 2-4 दिन वो स्टॉक्स काफी ऊपर जाते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज दे हैव इन्वेस्टेड देयर मनी एंड द स्मार्ट मनी व्हाट व्हेन वी सी इन दिस स्टॉक. सो क्या करना चाहिए हमको? वो स्टॉक्स जाके ले लेना चाहिए वो टाइम पे, या उसका प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग उसको कैसे देखना चाहिए? बिकॉज काफी लोग इस पैटर्न को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. सो अभी क्या होता है कि कोई ऐप आ गया, उस ऐप में नाम डाल दिया कि आज कौन सा ब्लॉक डील हुआ है, आज किसने कौन सा माल खरीदा है. सब अपना अपना इन्फॉर्मेशन अपना अपना चीज लाके टेबल पे रख देते हैं. बट होता क्या कि इतना सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन रहता है, कौन सा लेना है समझ ही नहीं आता है. सो इवन इफ आई गो एंड बाय, वो सही है गलत है, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स जब मैंने किया है तो मुझे उसमें कुछ ज्यादा सक्सेस नहीं मिला है, बिकॉज इवेंचुअली वो जाता है वापस नीचे आता है. सो योर एक्सपीरियंस ऑन सच काइंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, सो व्हाट इज योर idea on such kind of investing?
Yeah, Rishi, so I think we are trying to understand the cloning part of investing, that big investors are investing, and if you just clone their portfolio or copy their portfolio, whether it will make sense. I think, Rishi, that's one of the most riskiest thing to do in the markets, is to copy somebody. We will never know the reason why Rakesh ji or an Ashish Kacholia or an Nimish Bhai is buying into the markets. We'll also never know not only that why they are buying, what is the rationale. We will also not know when they will be exiting that company.
True.
Plus, also we don't know the kind of exposure they are taking as a percentage of their total wealth. So if we study let's say the big bull Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, and when he is buying into a stock, the big wealth that Mr. Rakesh ji has made has been from his investments into Titan, his investments into Lupin, his investments into Crisil. Maybe these 3 stocks have given him enormous wealth because he has held on to those stocks for more than 10-20 years now. And as a percentage of his total wealth, maybe he is investing into, let's say, Rico India, which is going to be a few percentage points. So it's going to be a very small exposure that he is trying to invest into his another company, which is in the public domain. But by and large, for an investor, if he is putting 10, 20 or 25, 30% of his investable corpus into an idea which has been, bought by the big eminent investors, then I think there is a complete mismatch. Because for an investor, he is buying 25-30% of his investable corpus into one company, whereas those stalwart investors, this investment is not even 0.5% of their total wealth. So there is going to be a big disconnect, because then 0.5% going wrong will not make any difference to those eminent investors. But for an investor who is copying them, he is just going to become, he'll lose big wealth. So I think we should not copy them. We should not kind of, clone their portfolio. Plus, we don't know the rationale as to why they are buying, what time period they are buying. Meaning, if you open up and see Nimish Bhai's investments, it's, let's say, in a company like Zodiac, and it has been there for years now. And so if somebody has cloned that investment, the investor will end up not making huge wealth and will lose out his, opportunity as well in the market, where he can find other good alternates. So do your homework, understand the rationale for buying yourself, or speak it out to somebody and get the rationale. From the eminent investors, getting the rationale is just going to be impossible for each one of us. So that will not make sense to invest. So I think cloning is a very, very risky proposition of investing. And there maybe you can end up, losing your wealth rather than creating wealth, because the rationale is not known, the sizing is not known. and then
Right.
the exit is certainly not known to you. So I think it is better to avoid looking at the bulk deals and where big transactions happen or big funds are buying and just replicate those. That is a very very risky domain area to venture into, and I would honestly advise people to keep away from adopting that principle of investing.